welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS Deals video, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. This is a brand new ad and there are some good deals that you can pick up. Check my description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I'll share in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. The bagged Huggies diapers are on sale for 2 for $22, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 coupon. Use that and you pay $19 and get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Ajax dish liquid. They are on sale for $2.79. Pick up 2 for a total of $5.58. Pay the $5.58 and you get 2 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. The 30-ounce all detergent is on sale for $4.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 1, pay $4.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it $2.99. Select Crest toothpaste are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7, get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. This is not the best deal, but if you need toothpaste and you have extra care box, you can pick it up. The next cosmetics deal I have is spend 10, get 3 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 1 CoverGirl mascara priced at $10.99. Use the 3 off digital coupon and you pay $7.99, get 3 back, making it just $4.99. Garnier facial care are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 blackhead eliminating scrub priced at $9.29. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. The 2 will total $13.94. Pay the $13.94 and you get 6 back, making them $7.94 or $3.97 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena acne care. Pick up the Neutrogena all-in-one acne control priced at $11.99. Use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $8.49, get 5 back, making it just $3.49. The Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back. If you can find the ones priced at $7.79, it will be cheaper, but my store is all out, so I'll be sharing this deal with the ones priced at $8.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $17.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $13.98, get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Axe body wash are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 price at $6.29. With a buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44, get 3 back, making them $1.44 or 72 cents each. My next deal is on soft soap or Irish Spring body wash. They are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $10 and get 3 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. My next deal is on the Dove Men Plus Care body wash. They are part of buy 2 get 4 back and it's priced at $9.39. Pick up 2 for a total of $18.78. Use the 4 off 2 Dove digital coupon and you pay $14.78, get 4 back, making them $10.78 or $5.39 each. Select Dial products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I have few options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 3-pack bar soaps priced at $5.49. The first one will be full price, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.29. The 2 will total $8.78. Pay the $8.78 and you get 3 back, making them $5.78 or $2.89 each. The second option is to pick up 2 foaming hand wash priced at $4.99. And with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $2.99. These two will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you prefer the regular hand soap, pick up 2 is priced at $3.59. First one will be full price, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $1.80. The two will total $5.39. Pay the $5.39 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents back, limit of 1. That will end up making this to just $2.14 or $1.07 each. My next deal is on Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners. They are not giving back any extra care box this week, but you will get them at a very good price. They are on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2. The time I'm making this video, the 2 of 2 Fructis extra care coupon is not on the app, and I tried printing at the red machine. It still didn't print out. I hope it shows up if you're doing this deal, but scan the item and make sure it's there. If you have the 2 of 2 extra care coupon, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2 for a total of $9. Use the 2 of 2 extra care coupon and a 4 of 2 Fructis digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $3, making each item just $1.50. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 2 back on Garnier Whole Blend shampoos or conditioners. Pick up 2 and they are on sale for 2 for $9. Use the 3 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 2 back, making them $4 or $2 each. There are 2 Mielle deals going on this week. One is spend $25, get $10 back, and the second one is buy 2, get 7 back. The first one I'll share is the spend $25, get $10 back. Pick up 2 Mielle styling gels priced at $12.49 each. Both will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend $25. Use a 5 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.98, get 10 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The second option is on the Mielle Rosemary Mint Hair Care. They are on sale for 2 for $20, and when you buy 2, you get $7 back. Pick up 2, use a 5 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $15, get 7 back, and that will make both $8 or $4 each. My next deal is buy 2, get 5 back on Dove Hair Care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $5.99 each. These 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is spend 20, get 10 back on Nivea Shave products or 2-pack lip cares. Pick up 3 Nivea Shave gels priced at $6.89 each. The 3 will total $20.67. Pay $20.67 and you get 10 back, making them $10.67 or $3.56 each. If you like Arm & Hammer scent boosters, they are on sale for $1.99 this week, no extra care box back. Pick up 3 for a total of $5.97. Check your app. We have a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon. Use that and you pay $4.47, and that will make each scent booster just $1.49. My next deal is spend 30, get $10 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, but I have 2 options for you. The first option is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. These 2 will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon, and on Coupon 24 app, use another $3 coupon for the second Tide. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The second option I have for this deal is to pick up 2 Scott Bar tissues on sale for $9.99 each, 2 count Febreze small space on sale for $6.49, and a Dawn dish liquid on sale for $5.99. These 4 items will total $32.46. Use a 2 of 2 digital coupon for the Scott Bar tissue, a $3 off digital coupon for the Febreze, and a 50-cent digital coupon for the Dawn dish liquid. The 3 coupons will take off $5.50 and you pay $26.96, get 10 back, making them $16.96 or $4.24 each. The next deal I have is on the 128-ounce or the 150-ounce Purex detergent. They are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get 3 back. Pick up 1, pay the $9.99 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, this will end up costing just $5.49. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.